Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. On this nice and windy day, we have this 2019 Volkswagen Golf R. This is the DSG model, and it's pretty much fully loaded. Of course, the Golf R gets the quad exhaust. 11,000 miles on this example, but it still looks brand new. Take a look at that 2.0 under the hood. Try my best to block the wind, but can't do a lot. Never opened the hood on one of these. That's why. Not bad at all. Nice all-weather mats. Oh. Absolutely beautiful inside. I love these things. These are probably my favorite Golf. Put it straight into sport. Actually, you do have a couple different drive modes in the R. Eco, Comfort, Normal, Race, and Custom. Put it into Race. Well, hello. Let's have a casual GT350. Now in race mode, the suspension is as firm as it's gonna get, but that's the way I actually like the suspension to be. This is our Nissan store here. I've created some new test routes, just kind of save some time. I don't have to drive an hour round trip to film. So I've created a test track on our lots just to make everything a little bit easier. Up and over. Wow. That's some a little under 300 horsepower in the Golf R. It doesn't need any more. Of course, we have the incoming Mark 8. That's going to be here hopefully by the end of this year. Now over the rough roads. I'll go ahead, I'll change the mode into comfort, and we'll see what that does. It automatically puts the transmission into normal drive, not sport mode. Steering is a lot lighter. Suspension's a bit more compliant too. It's not going to be as bumpy. Oh yeah, it's a lot smoother. Throttle response is slightly less, so it's a little bit less touchy. If you look over to the left, you'll see an R33 just chilling. Over these bumps. Well, this used to be a speed bump, but I guess it got demolished when they plowed. It's a much bigger bump. Wow. Go ahead, back it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.